If you've ever been stuck on the side of the road, you know how important an emergency kit can be. Whether it's a flat tire, dead battery, or unexpected breakdown, having the right supplies can make a tough situation a little easier and a lot safer. Start with the basics: jumper cables or a portable jump starter, a flashlight with extra batteries, and a tire pressure gauge. Then add some comfort and safety items: a first aid kit, water bottles, non-perishable snacks, and a reflective safety vest. Don't forget tools like a multi-tool or screwdriver, a tire inflator or sealant, and a compact fire extinguisher. And finally, include seasonal items like blankets in the winter or sunblock and extra water in the summer. Check your kit every few months and replace anything expired or used. An emergency kit isn't just smart, it's essential. Be prepared and stay safe no matter where the road takes you. Need help getting your car road trip ready? Call auto service experts and schedule a full safety check today.